So I thought I'd jump on here and just introduce this video. Obviously, by the title, it is a Sunday reset, and not every single Sunday, but some days, some Sundays, I edit in the morning. Now this video I'm editing is taking longer than usual. I started it about like 9:30. It's nearly 10:30. It was a 45-minute video. It's now like 43, and I'm still editing it. I've got like about 20 minutes left of editing it, so I'll catch up with you when I'm done. So I think the last time I updated you guys was when I was editing the video. That took most of the morning, even some of the afternoon. So like after that, I just went for a shower, a body shower. I didn't like record turn on the shower like I normally do, but I went for a body shower, and then I just chilled for the rest of the day. I actually just finished watching Sonic, so it has been a typical like when you say it's Sunday, this has been my typical Sunday, like watching a movie. I'm not in my jammies, but I've had like kind of a movie day while being productive editing my vlog. But that's going up at, well, it's not a vlog, it's a sit down video. It was 45 minutes and I took it down to like 41 I think. I will link it down below. That reminds me, I actually need to do the link for that video. But now it's 4 o'clock. I've watched that movie. I watched the Sonic movie, and I had my lunch, and that's pretty much what I've done. Now we're gonna do the proper reset. I need to change my bedding, and then I have got my Stitch notebook that some of you might have seen already, but it's got a daily thing, and then a daily planner, a weekly planner, and a to-do list, and then some notes. So I've not used the weekly planner yet, but I'm going to do it this week because I have actually got a couple of videos I want to film, so I want to plan them out, and I've got a meeting this week as well, and then I can just add to it as well. So hopefully, sorry, there was a fly in my face. Hopefully this week will be productive. So let's start tidying my room. So as you can see, my bed is made now, and it didn't take me that long, but that made me sweat. Now, not because I'm lazy. As most of you may know, we might still be anyone might still be going through it in the UK. But especially in Scotland, we are definitely not used to this heat. I know in London, they're getting it worse than this, but I think it's around like 25 degrees right now. 24 degrees, and tomorrow's meant to be 31, meant to get up to 31, and then the next again day is meant to be 32. So better doing it today when it's kind of cooler, but still at temperatures that the UK aren't really used to, or we're used to these temperatures, especially 20. Oh no, it just said 26. So I've been doing my, I've been doing my bed, changing my bed in 26 degrees. Literally. Well, it's going to be 26, so it's around 25 or 26. But I'm not complaining, I'm just saying, luckily I got it done today because I would not be able to do it tomorrow. But that is the point of this video, like I'm showing you guys. I don't do this every single Sunday, but it's just what I'm doing. Rude. It's just what I'm doing on a typical random Sunday, and again, I don't normally do the weekly planner, but I do want to try and get into the weekly planner as well. Obviously, with me hopefully getting a job this year, I really hope I do get a job this year. Fingers crossed. But when I do, I'm gonna manifest it. When I do get a job this year, I'm gonna use that planner more often. So in this vlog, I'm gonna show you how I would plan out my week when I do start using it. Because like I said at the beginning, I wanna film some other videos, so I'm gonna put that in my weekly planner, and I've got a meeting and that, and other stuff might come up. But for now, yeah, that's the update. I just want to give a little update on my weight loss journey. I know this isn't like a proper vlog, but I just want to go quickly into it and just give you a little update. Obviously the last update, I can't even remember what I said on the last update, but I've officially lost 6 pounds. Now I don't know how. I don't know how I've lost that extra pound, because I did lose 5 pounds, but now I've lost 6 pounds. I know it's only a pound, but even still I'm like, how have I lost that? And it's definitely not like water weight or anything like that, because I know you shouldn't. I don't check the scales every single day, but I check my scale. I check my weight like every couple of days or every week, so I know what's water weight and what's like I've actually lost weight. And normally the time that I weigh myself is in the morning, straight after a workout, or I'll have my breakfast, have a workout, and then weigh myself. So I haven't eaten so much food, and I did a little workout before then as well. So like in a way, that water weight or whatever, that overweight will probably sweat out of me. But that's a little life update. I'm still using the MyFitnessPal app, but I'm just being a little bit more laid back, because I think I said this in the last weight loss update, is I don't want to use that app forever. So it's just knowing my, not boundaries, because I don't like, I'm not on a strict diet, but like what's bad for me, what to not have all the time, and what I can have most of the time. The main snack I've changed, because I still do snack, but the difference is I've went from, instead of snacking chocolate, I've snacked biscuits and that, because they're lower in calories depending on how many you have. Don't get me wrong, I do still have chocolate and ice cream, but just not as often. I actually got the new Maltesers, the dark chocolate one, and oh my god, they are probably my favourite Maltesers now. I'm never going back to the milk chocolate one, and dark chocolate's healthier for you. But I will catch up with you guys later. Also, Love Island's on tonight. I always forget Love Island Unseen Bits is on Saturday. And then the actual Love Island's on Sunday. So yeah. This is everything I got from the shops. Well, Mum got these and these 2 drinks for me. Well, they're the Mum's. I got this and this and this. 0 sugar Coke. If you have not tried the vanilla one, you need to try it. So it is 9 minutes till 8 o'clock and I am now going to go live. I just had the pasta pot for my dinner and then I had a brownie for like dessert and I had my vanilla Coke. So now I'm going live on TikTok. I don't do this every single night, but once in a while I do it probably about 1 or 3 times a week, depending what I've got going on that week. And then after I go live, I'm gonna do the weekly planner with you guys, and then we're gonna go and watch Love Island. So I might be live for about an hour, and then I'll do the weekly planner, and then I've got Love Island. This is my setup, by the way. It's pretty simple. I can put the light on, but because it's been sunny, I'm not going to. And I've got my iPad in case anyone wants to like know anything about the TikTok shop. I can just go on my TikTok on here and check the reviews or anything like that. And then my phone that I'm on right now just goes on there, and then I go live. So I haven't put anything for Friday or Saturday and Sunday because obviously we're literally at the start of the week. But for Monday tomorrow I've put edit this video, film TikTok and heatwave, because just like that, just to remind me in a week's time. That's why I haven't done anything. I've only used this page once, but I think next time I use it I might just do a pencil so I don't use up all the pages. But when I do use up this book, I'm going to like order some like other like clips, things like this, so I can just keep this book and just add on to it. So I'll be adding to this list during the week as well, depending what happens on that day, because obviously Thursday I've got a meeting. Wednesday, I haven't put anything for Tuesday because that's meant to be the hottest day, so I might just be like sunbathing or just chilling. Wednesday, hopefully it will be cooler, so I want to film a vlog video. It's not going to be a vlog, but it's like how to be a vlogger and like tips and tricks that I want to give you guys. And I'm not going to do a to-do list tonight because obviously I've wrote it down there. I don't have anything else I want to like put down, and on top of it being a heat wave, I don't want to do too much. So I'm going to end this Sunday reset kind of vlog style video here. It's not like everyone else's Sunday reset. I personally don't have a proper Sunday reset day, but I thought I wanted to show you like the things that I can do on a Sunday, like when I have a more productive week. Obviously this doesn't happen every single week, and as you can tell by the vlog, I don't get up to much. I literally go live on TikTok. I got one person ordered 2 diffusers, the popular ones on TikTok, and yeah, that made my day. I'm so grateful for every order I get, even if it's like 99p. I'm so grateful. But I will catch up with you guys in probably another vlog before I put up how to be a vlogger video, or it might be the how to be a vlogger video first. This is the Sunday reset in my life. I might redo this when I actually have a job, because obviously when you actually have a job and you work pretty much all week, and some jobs actually work on Sundays, but most jobs I find you are normally off on Sunday. So when I get a job, I could do like a Sunday reset day in my life on Sunday, or whatever it's called. I can't remember the title of these videos, but I can do it like relating to working. Hopefully this year that will happen. But I will see you with a new video soon. Hope you enjoyed this one. I know it was sweet and well, not short, but it was quick and snappy and sweet. Hopefully you enjoyed it. But yeah, bye.